Remove the grates from the unit. Locate and remove the screws from the inside edge of the stove. Locate and remove the knobs from the front panel. Open the oven door. Locate and remove the 2 screws from the inside edge of the oven. Locate and remove the top screws on the knob rings. Carefully remove the front panel. Set it on something to make the repair easier. Locate the convection fan wires on the right side of the panel. Use a marker to make tally marks on the wires. Use 1 to 4 to indicate wiring sequence. Unplug the wires from the plug. Use your hands to unscrew and remove the bolt. Remove the rubber seal. Remove the switch from the front panel. Replace the old switch with the new one. Place the rubber seal back onto the switch. Secure the bolt to the switch. Make sure it's hand tight. No wires will go on this marked plug. Plug in the wires following your tally sequence. Locate the plugs on the left side of the front panel. Use a marker to make tally marks on the wires. Use 1 to 4 to indicate wiring sequence. Unplug the wires from the plugs. Remove the bolt from the oven light button. Next, remove the rubber seal. Remove the oven light button from the front panel. Now remove the bolt from the panel light button. Remove the rubber seal. Remove the panel light button from the front panel. Slide the new light panel button into the front panel. Slide the rubber seal onto the button. Screw on the bolt to the button. Make sure it's hand tight. Now slide the oven light into the front panel. Slide the rubber seal onto the button. Screw on the bolt to the button. Make sure it's hand tight. No wires will go on these plugs. Plug in the wires, following your tally sequence. Now locate the oven light. Mark the blue wire's location. Unplug the wires. Carefully remove the oven light from the front panel. Make the same mark on the new oven light for the blue wire's location. Slide the new oven light into the front panel. Plug in the blue wire first to the mark location and then plug in the red wire. Slide the front panel onto the unit. Secure the front panel to the unit with the screws from earlier. Secure the bottom of the front panel with the 2 screws from earlier. Close the oven door. Attach the knobs back onto the unit. Secure the back of the front panel with the screws from earlier. Place the grates back onto the unit.